All right, let's answer your questions now. Jimmy, we're going to revisit a topic we've hit a number of times. It's Alan in New Jersey wants to know about Roku and you.
Yep.
What's the latest?
So I just bought a little more yesterday at 157. I now have what I consider a full position. It's 3% of the portfolio. That's a lot for something that's this high beta. Obviously, I'm telling you, I think it's going higher. I can't find a reason to sell it. Somebody may say valuation. Valuation has never mattered.
You've sold it before, though.
You're correct. You're correct, and every time it's gone higher. So, on pullbacks, I've bought it again. And over the last month, I've built this position back up, roughly a 142 average price. I think it's going higher from here to the end of the year. I can't imagine anyone really wants to sell this here and take a tax gain. Let's revisit in January.
Okay, that's why I can't find a reason to sell it.
Yeah.
That's because you just don't think there are going to be any sellers around.
Exactly.
Okay.
And because valuation doesn't matter.
No, I know that, but it's never mattered for you when you've either bought or sold the stock. That's why
I'm playing with fire. You know it, Judge.
Well, maybe not. Okay, Josh, for you, Teladoc from Jim in Pennsylvania.
Yeah, so I started talking about this stock on the show at about 60 or 61. I am still long the name. I still believe that this is one of the most exciting companies that sits at the nexus between technology and healthcare. Huge cost savings. Insurance companies love this idea. Seeing doctors virtually when you don't have the time or the interest in schlepping out to a clinic or an office or even making an appointment. This is going to be a growth business, and Teladoc is the only publicly traded pure play. I'm staying with this name. I like it a lot.
Okay. Weiss, to you from Ehrlich in New Jersey. Cisco. What's the outlook on Cisco?
I have no idea. It was a trade for me. They missed 2 quarters in a row. I just found that I can buy reliable growth and stick with reliable growth like Microsoft. Cisco's been a perennial underperformer. I know that off and on you've liked it, but I put it in the category not as good as Intel, but the old line tech companies that just going to lag. So I'm not interested.
Okay, Shannon, to you. Laura in Nevada. What do you do with Netflix? Do you sell it and take some profits?
I wouldn't sell it here. I think that we've seen some significant pressure, especially on the Disney Plus launch. However, I look at the international subscription base, and I think combining that with the data they have and their desire to go into local language programming, I think there's some upside here for Netflix over the next few years.
Okay, Doc Bertrand in California, the outlook for the XLU.
We talked about this one, Scott, twice now in the last month, I think, or 3 weeks. First time it was a winner. They bought XLU puts and it went down. Second time, XLU went up, puts went down. So I paid about 40 cents for those puts. They're mainly worthless right now, Scott. So I'd say I would not touch it right now. I'd just walk away from this trade.